So we are about to give Phoenix his gifts. Ready? All right. Let's do this thing. Merry Christmas.
Merry Christmas.
Christmas.
Christmas. Christmas.
Well, we're about to head over to Daniel's parents' house, and I'm going to make a montage of my family and his family's like Christmases together. So I hope that you enjoy it, and we will see you guys maybe tomorrow.
We'll probably do more today.
Maybe.
You never know. I mean, it's Christmas.
It's Christmas. It's Christmas time.
Maybe not.
Merry Christmas. So what about me? Now we gotta pack all your toys up and bring them with us.
No.
To start filming, but I wanted to jump on here and end out this video by letting you guys know that I'm going to be having a new upload schedule at the beginning of this year. Instead of Thursdays at 10, I'm going to be uploading Friday mornings at 10 a.m. every single week. I really hope that you guys are ready for some awesome content coming your way this year in 2019. And again, the new upload schedule is Friday at 10 a.m. every single week. So I hope that you guys had a wonderful Christmas and a happy new year, and I will see you guys tomorrow at 10 a.m. to finish out the History of Makeup series this month.